Hey everyone, in this video, I'll show you the step-by-step guide on how to crop window capture in OBS Studio. Cropping helps you refine your scenes and lets you focus only on what you want your audience to see. So, let's get started. First, open an OBS Studio and make sure that you have a scene ready. Then at the bottom under Sources, click the plus button and select Window Capture. Then click OK, then choose the window that you want to record. Once selected, click OK again. Now that your window capture is added, you can resize it by clicking and dragging the edges or corner. To crop the window, hold down the Alt key or Option key on Mac. Then click and drag any edge or corner of the source. Then as you drag, you'll see parts of the window being cropped out, and this allows you to remove anything you don't want to show. Then, you can crop from any side, left, right, top, or bottom, until the window looks exactly how you want it. And once you're done, simply release the Alt Option key. Now, your window capture is clean and focused. And that's it. You've learned how to crop a window capture in OBS Studio. If this video helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.